I flee the city crowds every weekend for the countryside. I am fleeing the heat by heading to the coast right now. I have just fled a very awkward party. I have been fleeing the chaos of the office to work from cafes for weeks. I fled the burning building yesterday. I was fleeing the rainstorm when I slipped. I had fled the scene before the argument got worse. I had been fleeing my problems for years before I faced them. I will flee to the mountains next week. I will be fleeing the summer heat at the lake all next month. I will have fled every crowded tourist spot by the end of the trip. By June, I will have been fleeing the city each weekend for a year.